you're experiencing connection errors while playing Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak or intermittent, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Update gaming system. Make sure that both Red Dead Redemption 2 and your gaming system PC, PlayStation, or Xbox are updated to the latest versions. Developers often release patches that fix connectivity issues, so keeping everything updated is crucial. Step 3. Adjust firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes your firewall or antivirus software can block the game's connection. Check your firewall settings to ensure that Red Dead Redemption 2 is allowed to communicate through the network. You may need to add it to the exceptions list. Step 4. Change network settings. If you're using a Wi-Fi connection, consider switching to a wired connection for better stability. Additionally, you can try changing your DNS settings to public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8 and 8.8 4.4 to improve connectivity. Step 5. Contact support. If you've tried all the above steps and are still facing issues, reach out to Rockstar Support for assistance. They may have additional troubleshooting steps, but be aware of ongoing server issues that could be affecting your connection. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce connection errors in Red Dead Redemption 2 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.